Are you ready to elevate your design game with Canva? You can create a cutting posters in just a few clicks. Whether you are promoting an event, share a message, or showcasing your art, Canva's user-friendly tools make it easy to bring your vision to life. Dive in and start impressing your audience today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to make a poster in Canva. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the home page, as you can see. So to get started, you have just to sign up and you write your email address and your password, or you can also log in and find your account. So posters are a powerful way to communicate your ideas, promote events, and capture attention. With Canva, creating stunning posters has never been easier. Its intuitive design tools and fast library of templates and graphics allow you to unleash your creativity without needing graphic design experience. Whether you are crafting a vibrant event, flyer, or an inspirational code poster, Canva empowers you to make your vision a reality. Start designing today and watch your ideas come to life in a visually captivating way. So to get started, you have just to come back to the top here and you'll have to click over home and you will find this page, as you can see. So you have just to search for your content at Canvas and you will search for posters, as you can see. And I will just click over sale again and you'll find the templates here. So let's wait for the templates, as you can see. So here we have Canva templates, or we have here all filters, category also. So we select the category that you want. Also we have your media, and if you want it. So I will select the filter that I want. For example, here we have business, such as docs, presentations, whiteboard, business cards, flyers, prototypes, mind maps, websites, graphs, planners, letterheads, calendars, resumes, invoices, proposals, and reports. Then we have here the option of social media, such as here we have Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Instagram reels, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, TikTok, LinkedIn, animated Twitter. Then we have your education, such as subject, grade, resource type. Then we have a video, as you can see. Then we have marketing also, such as business card, flyers, logos, posters, brochures, menus, newsletter, infographics. Then we have print product, documents, photos, marketing materials, cards and invites, stickers, and we have your clothing. Then here we have the option of cards and invitations, like cards, postcards also. Then we have format, style, language, theme, features, grade, and we have subject. Then we have topic also, and we have the price. So we choose if you want free or the pro one. So I will click over free one and I will click over apply. So once you click over apply, you will find only the template that's free. So as you can see, we have here various templates. So we have here 10,000 templates. You can also create a blank here, and once you click over it, you will find this page, as you can see. So let's wait for it. So you can create a blank, or you can also choose, for example, this one, and I will click over customize this template. Once you do that, you will find this page, as you can see. So let's wait for it. So as you can see, the first thing we have here, if we want to, so as you can see, also if you want to add here page, or you can duplicate the page. Here we have write down, and here we have move up, move down, and here we have move up, and you have here the option of hiding page, lock page, and we have here duplicate page, and if you want to delete it. So this is it. And here we have also, if you want, the option of temporal view. Then we have here grid view, and we have here present full screen, and we have also as Canva. So you can just here, hey there, I can explain how to use Canva features, answer editing questions, and help with balance issues. So for example, I will ask something, how to make posters, so like that. So let's wait. Here we have how you can just follow the steps and you will just get started. Canva is super easy and fun. Here's how you can get started. Open Canva and search for poster. Customize the template by adding your own text, images, and elements. Then you have, once you are happy with your design, go to the top menu and select share here. Then download it. Here we have share and you can just download it. Then we have also other options, like if you want to design here templates and styles, then here we have elements also. For example, here we have frame, line, arrow, circle, and other things. Then we have your shapes, graphics, AI image generator, stickers, photos, videos, audios, charts, and we have tables, collections also. Then if you want to add a text, here we have add a text box, magic white, and here we have also add your print fonts. Then we have here add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text, and we have here something like font combinations. So like you have 5 tips for good skin. And here we have the print. If you want to add logos, colors, fonts, print voice, photos, graphics, and icons. Then we have uploads if you want to upload something, or you can code yourself. So here we have it. I will just click for record. 3, 2, 1, and you get started right there. So here we have it. Then you click over done and you can just delete it, or you can save it. Once you click over delete and you click studio, here we have also the option of draw. So here we have it. Right now, if I didn't want this one, I will just click over eraser and I will delete it. So here we have endo and redo, and also we have just share. Here we can just click over share and you add people, groups, or your team. Then if you wanna here select anyone can access the design using this link, no sign required. And here we have, if you wanna download, public view link, and we have a present and see all also. We have public view link, present, template link, present and record. We have copy clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, embed website also. So this is how it works with Canva, and you can just get started. So Canva is your go-to platform for creating a cartoon posters that make a lasting impact. With its user-friendly features and endless design possibilities, you can easily turn your ideas into stunning visuals. Don't miss the chance to express your creativity and connect with your audience. Start exploring Canva today and transform your concepts into beautiful, engaging posters. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.